Having been working with manufacturing now for a couple of years and beforehand, I know that getting people on the same page from different divisions, including OT and IT, on the side together, that is so important. Getting that business case alignment with a clear ambition and a budget of what needs to be done, and it could be narrowed down to a part of a factory, part of a supply chain, but having that something narrowed down during the business model canvases or the workshops and getting that alignment, that is definitely the key, and focus on the low-hanging fruits. What we've done is we've consolidated the Interoperable Manufacturing Digital Twin for Manufacturing webinar, which included a lot of collaboration between the vendors, syncing with customers to understand what are the pains that the industry are experiencing right now. Getting that out in the webinar, getting that out into coming blog posts. We're preparing for an open day right now as well in the future, where we're bringing in again vendors and customers to further share their knowledge. And it's continuous collaboration between the different members that allows us to stay ahead of the game and share that knowledge with the ones inside the Digital Twin Consortium, and as well as outside for people to come in and learn more about this exciting times with digital twins. Not only can they be involved to learn more about digital twins in manufacturing right now, but they will know how to leverage digital twins in manufacturing before their competitors, which will outcompete their competitors much, much faster. Because all these things that we're talking about in the Digital Twin Consortium right now, that are things that will be out in the open in 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. And of course, today, it's the fast that leads the slow. So if someone wants to beat their customers, survive to thrive in a turbulent future, Digital Twin Consortium is the place to be to learn before others, can even get a chance to get ahead.